quick bonus video for you today. I'm going to make a room spray, and what I've got in this container is 95% or 95 grams of cyclomethicone, and this is our carrier, and what this does is solubilizes the fragrance and allows us to spray it into the room, and then it'll evaporate off, leaving the fragrance. The fragrance I'm using is Watermelon Sugar from Craftiful. If you've not tried Craftiful, I highly recommend them. Their fragrances are really beautiful, and they're launching new collections almost by the day at the moment, so they're worth checking out. I'll pop a link below. Not affiliated or anything, I just recommend them. And I'm adding 5% of this fragrance oil. You'll need to check the IFRA documents just to make sure that you can use up to that amount in room spray, but once you've checked that, you're good to go. And you just need to add that to your cyclomethicone and stir it for a really long time. I've cut this so that you don't have to sit through that. Once it's fully mixed, you'll see it looks a little bit cloudy at first, but after you leave that for a while, it does go completely clear again. And then you just need to fill your bottle of choice. Make sure your bottles are compatible with cyclomethicone and room sprays. You just need to check on your supplier details what bottles are suitable, and then you can fill that up quite happily. I use a little spray bottle, and I'm using a funnel so I don't spill it everywhere. And then you're ready to use it after 48 hours to a week. You'll find when you first spray it, it can smell quite a lot of alcohol, but the longer you leave this, the more the fragrance will sort of fuse into the product, and then you'll only smell the fragrance. So how long you leave it will very much depend on the fragrance, but just give it a test each day, and once it no longer smells of alcohol, you're good to use it. I suggest once you've bottled it up, you give it a good shake just to make sure that it is fully mixed. But that's it. That's all there is to it, and you've got a room spray. The cyclomethicone I got is widely available online from various suppliers. I'm not recommending the supplier I got it from because I wasn't that impressed. But you can also use formulators alcohol from Craftiful, and I've already linked them below anyway, so worth checking out. Thanks for watching. Thanks to all my viewers and subscribers and patrons. VIP patron shout outs are here. A link to my Patreon down below with all of my formulas for my other recipes is in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.